So let's look at snoring and sleep apnea more closely. What we know is that about two-thirds of adults snore. This means that two-thirds of the adults in your practices are snorers. And it's incumbent on us as dentists to start to identify these people
Hmm.
and get them on a path to getting healthier. If you look at the prevalence of snoring and sleep apnea in the US, there was a study done at the University of Wisconsin in 1993 that showed that about 9% of men and 4% of women have signs of apnea on testing, and 4% of men and 2% of women have signs and symptoms of apnea. This same group at the University of Wisconsin that completed the study in 1993 followed up with estimates in 2005, which showed that they now believed that somewhere between 17 and 20% of adults have apnea based on prevalence of obesity in the US.